Buongiorno tutti quanti, come stai? Mi chiamo Maurizio and benvenuti a High Vibes Travel. Hello everyone, my name is Morris and welcome to High Vibes Travel. And we are in Montepoane-Lido here in beautiful Calabria. And this is our little casa over here. And in this video, I'll show you our little daily routine here in Montepoane, showing you our outdoor gym. Yes, there are gyms here in Montepoane, but we decided to work out outdoors in this beautiful, beautiful temperature here. Although it is getting warm, we are in the month of June. And after that, I'll show you the beautiful beach here in Montepoane-Lido. And you definitely have to come visit because it's absolutely gorgeous here. You know, enjoy this video and we'll see you later. So I'm going to attempt to walk a bit here, and over here the spiaggia libera means it means anyone can come to this part of the beach. Over there there's Lidos, aka beach clubs in Mexico or United States, and I will attempt. Oh, look who's here! Hi. Not sure you can hear me. It's very windy here on this beautiful June day, but I will attempt to walk a bit and show you guys all the Lidos here on the beach. First of all, crystal clear water today. Very clear water today here in Montepoane-Lido. So I will show you some places that are actually more busy. The Lidos that are more busy than others. Like the one I showed you over there isn't that busy. Behind me, not too bad, this Lido. A bit busy, and we're not even July high season, especially in August. Ferragosto is supposed to be really crazy here. All these Lidos have different prices. I think most of the Lidos have restaurants and bars, of course. This one here is really busy for a Saturday in June. And like I said, wait till August. It's probably going to be full. There's lifeguards in every single Lido, which is pretty cool. Mind you, the waters aren't that rough, but you never know, right? Safety first. So Montepoane-Lido is a small community. Again, I'm not here. I've been here just a few months, so I don't know everything. But I hear that by August, it gets crazy here. Like, no parking. The beaches are just full of people, restaurants. So it's definitely something that you have to look into if you come here in August. Got here in April, end of April-ish, and it was completely dead. And there's no Lidos at all. All these Lidos get set up by like the first week of June. And now we're almost at the end of June, and they're probably all set up. But like I said, not everyone is on the beach just yet for vacation. Oh yes, by the way, very cool water for the end of the month of June. And I'm very surprised how cool the water is. Not freezing. I love cool water, cold water, but I am very happy, satisfied with the temperature of the water. Will it change? We'll find out.